Hello friends, today we are going to learn a Photoshop new tool that is called a remove tool. I'll not only call it to a remove tool, I'll also call it to a magical tool. Let me show you the magic of this tool. Before starting the tutorial, if you are new to our channel then please subscribe it and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all new updates. Let's move to the tutorial. Right now the move tool is selected. I'll go to the toolbar and select the spot healing brush tool and right click on the spot healing brush tool, and underneath the spot healing brush tool I'll find the remove tool. The remove tool is available only in the latest version of the Photoshop. If you are using the older version then please go and update it first. I'll select the remove tool, and here in the option bar you can see some options. You can also add or subtract the selection. You can also increase or decrease the size. If you are using the vacuum tablet you can also use this option, and sample all layers and remove after each stroke. We will discuss it in this tutorial. First of all, I'll go to the layers panel and then click on the create new layer. And after creating the new layer, I'll check the sample all layers. In this way, by these layers sample the underneath all the layers. Let me zoom in the image a little bit by pressing the Ctrl plus key, and by holding down the spacebar key, I reposition the image. First of all, I wanna remove these roots which is in front of this lady. I'll simply increase the size of my brush by pressing the right bracket key and then apply it. I have applied the remove tool, and then I'll click on this check mark. By pressing this OK, you can see the magic of this remove tool. How nicely the roots removed. We'll fix it a little bit more by simply pressing it and then again press the tick sign. You can see how nicely everything removed. Then I'll also check the remove after each stroke. When I'll apply the remove tool on these branches, it automatically fixed. You can see how nicely it removes everything. It's really a magical tool. I'll press the spacebar key and reposition my image. Now I want to remove these roots from here. I'll simply click here and drag my cursor and release it. It's removed. We'll fix it with the help of this remove tool. We'll apply again on these roots, and the remove tool automatically fix all these fixes. You can see how nicely the remove tool works. I removed this too. You can see how nicely it works. Everything fixed in no time. I'll also fix it. How nicely it works. I'll decrease the size of the remove tool and apply it here too. Wonderful. I'll fix it a little bit here. Wow, nice tool. Let me zoom out the image by pressing the Ctrl 0 key. You can see how nicely it fixes everything. Let me show you the before and after result. You can see here the before and after result. I hope you have learned something from this tutorial. If you do, then please like the tutorial and also subscribe to the channel. Stay connected with us. See you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.